I think Mudra, as per the run rate and points, is out of the league, but they can take someone with them or damage
कुर्सी भी बड़ी है
other teams going forward. So these two crucial encounters left for
Ash bhai.
Mudra
कुर्सी
can
भी
be damaging for the teams they'll be playing against. But I feel this is a fresh squad, a new squad, Team Mudra. They should enjoy the last two matches. Play fearlessly. Play fearless cricket. And just win those two matches and they can go happy home at least. Down the ground, wicket number one. Same ball, same place. Sagar Bhai gives his wicket again. Missed out on the elevation this time. Moksh bowling well from the whole tournament for Mudra. Just conceded, I guess, 1-6 in his 5 overs. Hitansh, the new batsman, walks in. A good keeper himself. White ball. Good cover shot. Almost a boundary there and misfield could have given them 2 runs. Short ball wide. White ball. Hard hitting drive to the offside.
अच्छा खेल रहे हो भाई
Good over there by Moksh. End of over number 1. 7 runs on board. Next over, Ganesh Taude. The timer is on. Just a reminder.
बीट वेट करके मारना अच्छा है मीट देख के मारना आराम से वेट करके
Car number 5809 is parked in front of Vikram Pandey's car. If you can just move it aside. Sorry, Itrani owners. Hello. Car number 5809. If you can just move your car. It's parked just behind the car. Short ball, back foot punch and he's up. Not too much power behind it to go for a benchmark 6. Good bowling there by Ganesh Taude. Short ball, chance of a wicket and they both did not decide and another wicket. Chance and he's out. He is run out. What a great throw by Pradyuman there. Direct onto the stumps.
great
It was an overthrow, a misfield there. Communication wasn't loud. But to be honest, it was a good throw there by Pradyuman. Direct onto the stumps and we have Pat Luhar next. He's called the Big Show for a reason. and he'll show you why he hits those big shots at ease. Score is 10 runs at the end of 2 overs. As I said, Mudra can harm Omsai Vikings from here
ए मीत
because 2 crucial points is important.
आराम दी रमजे रुकी नहीं हाउस से आ लेफ्टी ने घबराई थे
Again onto the offside. Last 3 balls from Meet are gone there, but they are not keeping any fielder at that position. Path Luhar, I guess, batting for the first time in this league now. Is it a wide? Yes, it's a wide delivery.
चले आ बाहर चले आ
Dot ball, another dot ball. Full length delivery outside off. Missed by Path Luhar. Short ball. Ball didn't rise much, and another dot ball there. Ball number 4, dot number 4. Ball number 4 for Path Luhar, dot number 4 for him. Last delivery. What a great over there by Tinu. Just giving 1 run of the first over, and this is going to harm Omsai Vikings if they lose this match. So for their cause, they need to bat 11 runs of 4 overs. 12 runs, sorry. 3 overs, 12 runs. Timer is on. That's a wicket and a catch there by Sarthak.
मेरे को नींद आ रही है
12 run. We have one of the heroes of the last Omsai Vikings match, Omkar Mehta. He and Mayank played a ton of innings to win the match. 100. Chance of a run out there, directed, and he was a goner. Leg side, flick, and a single. And finally, Path Luhar off strike. He'll be off pressure right now. White ball and a no as well for side arm. Another white ball. Down the ground and a simple catch there. The hero of the last match couldn't score big this match, and Yuvraj takes an easy catch there. 16 for 5. Omsai Vikings, and as I say, the other hero at the one strike end in the last match, who was also the man of the match against Turf FedEx for his brilliant performance, all-round performance I would say, is now on crease for Omsai Vikings.
बॉलर नहीं बजी आराम दी रम
Short ball, and it's a 6. His captain was just telling him, play slowly. But he knows if the ball is in his range, he'll go for it. Another ball, another chance, and it's an easy miss there. A big wicket
बहुत
for
मस्त
Mayank,
है
not only dropped, but also a 6.
एक
6 scored off, and it's the end of the over. 28.
भाई इसमें वाइट आया नो आया सब डाला था
4 overs 28, and it could have been almost curtains for home side Vikings.
बाहर
If
चला
Mayank
पास
was
फ्री
taken
रम
there.
एकदम स्टीफ नहीं रम हाथ खड़ा और आई दिखना जेम बैट
Another wide.
मारेगा पार तू मारेगा
Down the ground. Benchmark 6 from the Big Show. Just like Tanmay Shenoy is taking some balls to get the feel of the game.
पार मारी तू मारी
Once he's on, he's a sight to watch, hitting those sixes. Another one, as I say, goal. 6 number 2, benchmark 6 from Parth Luhar.
मारी तू
It's important to stay on the pitch. Full toss. 6 number 3 for Parth Luhar. The
ये
6.
सिक्स है
You don't get 7 runs if you run after the 6. Sorry, Parth Luhar. You only get a 6.
कड़क
He's back into the game. Parth Luhar and shot number 4, but he's out now. But he's done his part. 3 sixes.
वेल प्लेड भाई
Big Show playing big shots, and the score right now 48 for 5. 48 for 6, sorry. Onto the back foot, and some football skills there from Kathan. Last delivery. Mayank will hope to stay till the last over.
अरे भैया वेल
It was the last ball, but he is given away his wicket. Mayank goes back to the pavilion. (49) after 5 overs. 49 for 7. Last 3 wickets. Request batting team to come fast, please. Batting team. Next batsman has to take guard in 30 seconds. Let's play. Shot. What a great benchmark 6 from Rishabh. Easy pickings there. Missing his length, Yuvraj. Capitalizing Rishabh Shah. Slow delivery for a wide. Another great shot, and he's out this time. Same delivery, but he couldn't capitalize on the power. Wicket number 8 for Homsai Vikings. We request team Turf Addicts and Trojans to come for toss. Team Turf Addicts and Trojans, please meet Hardik Mehta. Please meet Hardik Mehta near the presentation area. Team Turf Addicts and Trojans for the toss.
भाई संभालना आपको लग जाएगा
Let's play.
है तो खींच डालना है
Good check there.
कितना मैच बचा है ये तो है
56 runs.
हमारा इसके बाद एक है
Full toss on to the offside. Single there.
मस्त है वाइन भाई
57 with 3 balls left.
4 मैच आपके लिए
6 है पांचवा है ये
Important play, both the balls. Last two. On to the offside, so wide. Single off to the offside. So the toss between Turfedics and Trojans. Turfedics winning the toss and choosing to bowl first.
वो मसला भाई भाई चलते हैं भाई भाई
The lunch has stopped for 10 minutes. Hello. Please bear with us. The lunch has just stopped for 10 minutes. We'll start in the next 10 minutes again. Single there. Round, easy single there.
स्कोरर
Full toss and benchmark 6 there. He went in for the Yorker, but picked up well by Mayur. What a catch! That is one of the best catches we have seen today. One-handed. Even before this, Tejas Pawan Chuk take such catches. And now we have
वो अंपायर का ध्यान ही नहीं था, वो मोबाइल में था। ओमकार वो मोबाइल देख रहा था।
And there was confusion there. Are they coming for a second? No, they are not. It was curtains for home side one. As well to the right end. And it's a simple catch to end the innings for home side Vikings. 70 is the target to win in 10 overs. Sorry, 7 overs, 10 runs per over. Let's start the match. Path Luhar. The first over, like all matches. Wide delivery. What a great shot there by Karan. Carpet shot, they say, in underarm cricket. Another shot for a wide.
चौदह
14 runs. Sanket.
में तो निकाल ही दिया उसको। हम लोग एक्चुअली 5 दिन निकल गए।
I would like to inform you there is one spot available now in GBMM. In their WhatsApp group as well. One play. 6 spots are there now.
किसके लिए? किसके लिए? वो निकाल दिया जी ने। किसको? संकेत को।
And no ball for sidearm. And a crashing boundary there. As I said, it's an important match for home side. It will hurt if they lose from here. Mudra will hurt them if they win this match. They're out almost of the tournament, but they can. And a good catch there. A very good catch by Meet Karani. Bending forward. Low catch. Made it look easy.
मैं वो छूटा ही नहीं है बहुत स्लीप हो रहा है क्यों डाला कुछ अरे ये बना इसमें फर्स्ट तो डाला है ना
Single there by Uttam Mehta. Another single. They are playing calculatively as per the run rate. They need 10 runs per over. Almost a power hit swing there, but misses it completely. Clean bowled by Mayur Talsania. In walks Sarthak. चार बॉल walks in, walks out. Sarthak He just cannot wait and pick the balls that he needs to score. Sometimes you need to play long innings as per the team requirement. You just cannot keep saying that's my way of playing. Walks in Ganesh Tavde. It's just a second over till now. And almost a wicket there again. They are not playing calculatively as per the number of runs they need, the run rate. End of over number 2. 23 on board. Run rate has been controlled there, but they need wickets to play. They cannot play dash shots all the time. I would say 4 to 5 sixes just needed here in the next 5 overs to pick those 5 balls rather than hitting every ball for a 6. Wrong way bowling bowing by using all his experience. And sweep. Missed it completely. And a white ball. Batsman called it before the umpire. On to the covers, and what a great tap there. It's a 4. Chance of a catch, difficult one, but a boundary by Ganesh Tavde. Short ball, leg side, and a wide. Another wide. A lot of extras coming in this over. All the dot ball pressure is now released. Full toss. Good fielding there by Omkar Mehta. As I said, the run rate is going well, 10 runs per over. Wide again. Oh, boundary given in wides now. 4 wides. Short ball on the back foot is taking a single. Yes, they have taken it comfortably. Last ball wide. 34. 2.5. Another wide delivery. It's a 6 given in wide. 6 wides now. Shot down the ground. Easy wicket there. He was bowling to the extras. Your run rate was in. You don't need to give away your wickets. End of over number 3. 35 3 over. There's 4:35 and you need 35 in 4 overs. 35 in 4. We welcome Jack Bhai and DK Bhai to All Stars Legacy League. Thank you for coming.
स्ट्राइक ले बेंचो स्ट्राइक ले बॉल है अपने पास रैप भी नहीं है ये मुन्नो दिमाग से खेल ये 5 डाउन है चलेगा चलेगा आराम से खेलने दोनों का मारने में आउट हो रहे हैं नहीं मारने नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं वो तो स्ट्राइक ले तू लास्ट मैच में ना 2 ओवर खड़े रहेगा पीछे सही है युवराज बराबर जा रहा है 20 में 29 माइक देना
हेलो बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट लेकिन उतना ही बढ़िया कैच
आने वाली पे खा लीजिए
19 गेंदों में 28 रनों की जरूरत नेक्स्ट ट्रैक पे सिद्धांत देशमुख उफ इनू नीड टू स्कोर
कितना 18 में
28 of 18
कोई नहीं 28 से 18 28
28 required of 18 balls. (28 of 18) First ball. What a shot! Straight for the 6. This shows why Yuvraj is an appointed player. White ball. 21 of 17. Next ball. What a placement. What a shot and what very good effort by the fielder. Single taken 20 of 15. Oh, completely misread the spin. Good bowling by Richard Shah. Next ball. Wide. Bowler needs to control wides. 19 of 14. Completely misread the spin. That's wide. 18 required of 13 balls. Last ball can be match defining ball. What a shot! One attempt, but went for a 6. It was a quick edge, went straight for 6 runs. 12 required of 12 balls. जब नसीब साथ हो तो गधा भी पहलवान होता है. White ball, they cannot afford any extras.
1 run taken. Yuvraj Singh on strike. 10 run off 11 balls. Next ball. बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट. Straight for 4 runs. दस गेंद 6 रन. अगली बॉल. It was a good shot, but nowhere near the fielder, and it's 64 for 6 after 5.2.
टाइम आउट हुआ है बोल. टाइम आउट.
And it's time out. Next over, only 2 fielders will be behind at the boundary line, and 1 fielder will have to take rest. 6 required of 10 balls. One run in between the wickets. Yuvraj Singh. Not that over. 4 of 8. They cannot afford this misfielding, and they won the match. Finally, they stick a win. Good shot.
अभी गैस आया.
Good shot for Yuvraj. Hello.
प्रेस कर रहा है.
Hello.
Great batting by team Mudra. A win finally from them, and they have hurt home side Vikings now, who had a chance. They still have. They could have topped the table comfortably with this win. The team who lose 4-4 have destroyed their dream currently. They will have a chance to be in top 2. Team Mudra, great performance. Request the next 2 teams to walk in. Home side, can you please wait out?
हार्दिक जैक भाई
Request the man of the match between Mudra and Homsai Vikings.
दोनों आपका है.
Pradyuman is the man of the match. Best batsman Yuvraj and best bowler Mayur Alsania. We start in 2 minutes. With you.
हेलो हेलो कोई बोला मैं वेट नहीं कर हेलो हेलो
3 ओवर है ना रूल
Hello. Hello. Okay, we start the match now. Top Phoenix versus Trojans. Team Bhardo. We have our commentary partner, Jack Bhai.